know you feel it in the nighttime, and you've given all your days while they were waiting on the right time. You went and made your wave. I don't need reasons to live. There's no reason to quit, it's all I know. So once again, I'm gone with the summer. Yeah. Gone with the summer. Once again, I'm gone with the summer. They be trying to count us out, we highly endowed. They must not know what's at stake, what we fighting about. This tradition to a wordsmith, the missile shooter. I'm my automatic sniper, I bet this'll do ya. I give reason and ether to all the line soldiers. I'm undefeated, my region remains on my shoulders. I've cried nights, that's only because of highlights. I find life in knowing I'm playing mine right. Wicked crimes from them wanna-be crowned. Try to lead me to the deep where I might cunningly drown. At times I thought they got me where they wanted me now. But like the sun, I rise up when I don't wanna be down, and that's I know you feel it in the nighttime, and you've given all your days while they were waiting on the right time. You went and made your wave. I don't need reasons to live. There's no reason to quit, it's all I know. So once again, I'm gone with the summer. Yeah. Gone with the summer. They ain't never been eye to eye with Satan in the broad daylight. Gone left while they all sway right. A true maverick, unbothered by what y'all made right. A naysayer slayer, I'm filleting all daylight. Yeah, we in that upside down, I manage not to sink. They keep our eyes wide shut, I manage not to blink. Another decade or maybe they not faking. Maybe it's more to it, maybe we got taken advantage of. Either way, the damage is done. The bottom feeders get to eat all them glamorous crumbs. Where all them seekers of truth, the speakers of the youth. We come and go with the summers, keep believing in you. I know you feel it in the nighttime, and you've given all your days while they were waiting on the right time. You went and made your wave. I don't need reasons to live. There's no reason to quit, it's all I know. So once again, I'm gone with the summer. Yeah. Gone with the summer. Yeah. Once again, I'm gone with the summer.
Good.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ooh. What's your name?
David.
Oh, hello, David.
Aloha.
Aloha. Did I go to the wrong place?
And we are about to go on our first safari. Let's go.
Welcome to the group. So, what he's doing now is like when you're putting the sunscreen, is to block the sun and also to suffocate the ticks.
The ticks. Oh, I see.
Yeah, maybe when they fight, they can lose their horn. Because of that long hair on the neck, they're very not good, agile to go look something to eat during the day. So it's a female. Sometimes on TV they're showing hunting, but males, they behind.
Well, it is 4:41 in the morning, and our call time is 5 o'clock, and we're going to spend all day, like 10 hours, in Kruger National Park today. Super dusty, super sweaty. This is Lambs.
Yeah, so this is some fresh.
He has a first aid
Alright guys, go let us talk a little bit. Yes, yes, this is full of starch. Yeah, Susan, sorry. Yeah.
The tall is on holiday, but still networking with Lambs, the up and coming comedian. And today we are doing some full steps. Ooh, this is what we're riding today. Right there in the reserve. This is the last video that I will ever take.
But this man.
No, in your pocket.
No, because when you ride, you might see the leopard that I saw yesterday.
We're faster than that.
Yeah.
So where are you taking us, George?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. And my brakes
don't
work, but it's fine. Ah! Yeah, my brakes are a bit touchy too. Yeah.
South Africa. Shosholosa Ulesontabas Dimelas Pume South Africa.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to follow along.